In this video, I will show you how to fix some websites not loading in any browser issue Windows 11. First, click Start, open Settings, select Network and Internet, and click Proxy. Turn on Automatically Detect Settings and make sure the Proxy Server option is turned off. For the second method, press Windows plus R, type NCPA, CPL, and press Enter. Right-click your network connection and select Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. Then, click OK. For the third method, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Enter the following commands: netsh int IP reset and netsh winsock reset. After running both commands, restart your computer. That's how you can fix some websites not loading in any browser issue, Windows 11.